Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a background for your desktop with Flash Professional 8 like mine here. For my new animation I'm gonna make out of the dark. You just gotta open Flash. Select a new file and start sketching your background. What you draw on the canvas is gonna be your background, so have in mind the proportions of your drawing. So let's sketch some ice up. No, let's just leave it like that. Select that, turn it into a symbol to add some more effects like that. Blur. Now you can go and save it so you don't lose your work. File, save. But I'm not gonna show you that because I think I don't need it. I just want to show you the process to making it into a background for your desktop. You just go File, Export. Export as an image. That's important. The most important part. Save it also as a JPEG file. So you gotta save it. Well, I think that will be basically it for the drawing here. So now let's go ahead and just close the window. Now once closed, you just gotta right click on the desktop and customize the background and browse for the image, and it should let you set it as a background. So you just click on it and that's how it's done. Basically that's how to make a background in Flash Professional 8. And well, that was my tutorial and I hope it helped. Good luck making your backgrounds.